welcome back to Kenton and Habiba. This is Habiba and I am in the best of mood because I'm so excited about this wig. This is a headband wig and you're probably thinking another headband wig. Yes, because this is the first one I am going to wear that has color. So if you like a little bit of spice, I'm going to be bringing you a lot of spice in this review. Okay, so it comes in this beautiful gold satin-like bag, drawstring bag, and so pretty. Gonna pull out all the items, and I've gotten questions about whether everything I show is sent to you when you buy your wig. Yes, it is. So anything you see I pull out is usually sent to you if you purchase a wig as well. Some of the items might be different, like the headband that you receive, but they will send you a headband or several headbands for free in addition to the wig. Isn't that pretty? So you also get a little card telling you about the wig company and how it's great for beginners. And this particular wig happens to be human hair and it's 18 inches. And as you can see, it was well packaged, several layers of packaging. And it took about 2 weeks to get to me. So I'm just pulling it out of the cellophane bag, and included is a Ziploc bag containing an elastic band. So this is the elastic band that you can place at the back of the wig if you want to, tighten the wig up to fit your head. And it's really easy, as you can see. It has hooks on it like bra straps. Okay, let's get a closer look at this hair. So covering the wig is a thin protective mesh, which comes off easily. And the first thing I notice, of course, is the color, the ombre, because again, this is the first time I'm wearing this textured hair with color. It's pretty soft and I really like the ombre. All right, there is the headband. And as you can see, it has a very strong Velcro. You are going to be fighting sometimes to undo this Velcro. It does not fall off your head. It does not come undone. All right, there's the inside of the wig. It is very well constructed. As you can see, there are combs. There are 4 combs, 2 on each side, and it's optional if you want to use it or not. And oh, by the way, if you want to get one of your own, definitely save money. Get 20% off if you use code Habiba to get 20% off your purchase. Okay, and then again, here is the Velcro. And I'm taking a closer look at the weft. So I'm lifting up the weft so you can see. Of course, you're never going to see this when you're wearing it, but I just wanted you to see the detail. Isn't this texture beautiful? These are the ends. Now, I'll be honest, those ends look a little raggedy, so they could do with a little bit of trimming or dusting. But overall, the quality of the hair is very nice. Of course, the texture tends to be different where it's colored. Here's a closer look at the headband and, the demarcation between the band and the hair. Okay, she is ready. We got our wig cap on, our edges haven't been done, no makeup, but we're gonna get it together, so let's go. Yes! Face done, makeup ready, here we go. All right, where is my hair? Where is my hair? Look at her. Isn't she pretty? Oh my God, so nice. Can't wait to pop her on. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Oh my God, look at that color. Look at that color. And look at the texture. This is a little bit looser than the curly hair that I've been wearing before, the other headband wigs that I've done. But anyway, look how simple it is to pop this wig on. I'm not even going to use all the combs or the band, but I suggest you at least use the comb in the back to push it in through your braid. And as you may know, my hair is natural. It hasn't been relaxed. I cut it off about 3-4 months ago. So these headband wigs are just perfect. So anyway, wig is on. All I gotta do is pull the straps together and the Velcro attaches super easy. As you saw, I pulled my hair to the front to make it easier, and that way it doesn't get tangled in the Velcro. But it's really that simple. I haven't done anything to this hair. You guys saw. All I'm doing is pushing the headband back a little bit. That's it. She's on my head and I could step out right now. I immediately know that this hair is going to be great, okay? 2 minutes! 2 minutes is all it took me to pop this wig on. I have not done anything. Look at it. Get a close look. Okay, you guys, if you don't know, my father is Nigerian, and every now and then my Nigerian accent pops in and out. So I really like the fact that the density is a very natural looking density. It's not too big, it's not too wiggy. So I decided to add a little bit of water and conditioner in it just to see how it would change the texture and how easily the hair can be manipulated. Usually with curly hair or, type 4 hair, I don't suggest you comb it or brush it and just use your fingers. But this texture appears to be a lot looser than the previous curly textures I've tried. So as you can see, the hair looks super soft, very bouncy, very natural, and I absolutely love it. Like I said before, those ends could do with a little bit of trimming, but I didn't want to cut it right now. Hopefully you can see the difference between the two sides. Which do you prefer? Okay, I just wanted to show you that there is a little bit of shedding. You will get a little bit of shedding, but it's not too much. Honestly, pretty much any curly wig you get that's human hair, you're gonna get a little bit of shedding. This wig is not going anywhere, and I haven't even used all the combs or the elastic band that they sent. It is on very snug and it's very comfortable. All right, let's do some fun styling. I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways you can wear this wig. All right, let's try the headband or one of the headbands that was sent. It is so simple. Just put it over your head and then secure it in the position you would like. So I think everybody really should get a headband wig if you want to break from your hair. You don't need any glue, you don't need any lace to worry about, you don't need to worry about your edges if you don't have them. Maybe you have alopecia or hair loss, or you just don't have time to do your edges. You're in a hurry, you gotta go. Just pop on this headband wig and you're out. Well, we're not going anywhere, but go do your Zoom meeting or run to the supermarket or something. Anyway, I prefer to wear the headband pulled back. I like my hairline showing. I just think it suits me better. And yes, I think it's nice, actually. I love it. I love it. I really, really love it. And what was I doing without the headband wig before? I don't know. All right, this is the second headband that was sent, and I think it matches my sweater. But let's put her in a ponytail, just a basic ponytail. I kind of like my ponytails to one side. So there you go. Ponytail done. Easy. Nobody will tell me this is not my hair. Nobody. This is my hair. All right, let's do a high puff or a high ponytail. Super easy. Same concept, but I split the hair in two. Put it on top of my head with a little bit of pin, puts my glasses on, and I think I look kind of nerdy cute, don't you think? It's got that nerdy cute look. Comment below if you would wear your hair like this. What do you think? It's not even bad in the back. I mean, it's a little poofy, it could be flatter, but it's not bad. Oh, by the way, I was watching or listening to Beyonce and Janet Jackson while I was doing this video. So later you will see me dancing, being silly. All right, let's pull some hair down in the front. You just pull two small pieces down in the front and then pull the headband, removable headband, over that hair. And now it looks like you got these little tendrils on the sides of your face. It looks like it's growing out of your head, doesn't it? Sweet. Okay, so you can wear it with your hair down like this, or you could wear it with a ponytail. It's up to you. See? What do you think? All right, let's try something else. Let's say you want bangs, or what people call a fringe. You want like thick bangs, or what they call a fringe. Just bring some hair over the headband, built-in headband, swoop it across your face, tuck it behind your ear, and then pull over the removable headband, and there you go. Voila! You would not know that this was just a regular headband wig or that it wasn't my hair. I think it looks nice. So most of my wigs have been just black, although I stay away from harsh black. You know, jet black, I tend to avoid that. I feel like this color really suits my complexion, and it just makes me feel like, you know, island vibes. That's what I'm feeling, island vibes. What about this scarf? You like this scarf? So instead of a headband, a nice scarf is very elegant, and right now it makes me think about traveling. It's been raining and cold here, so just feeling the sun and the beach and the sand. Yes, somewhere like Jamaica or Aruba or Trinidad, anywhere. Who wants to travel with me? I'd love to go somewhere right now. Oh, how about a pina colada? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, back to reality. Back to reality. How else can we style this? Can this take heat? Can it take heat? Okay, so I'm going to take a small section. I'm not going to do the whole wig, just a small section. Comb it out really well, and then we're going to use our flat iron and see if this hair, since it is human hair, you can do more with it. Let's see how well it straightens. Do you see that? So it helps to use a fine-tooth comb to secure the hair and to comb it properly before you use the flat iron. And by the way, if you haven't already, could you please hit that thumbs up button? We're really trying to grow the channel. We're almost at 30K. Thank you so much. Yes, do you see this hair? Do you see? It straightens really well. It actually looks like relaxed hair. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like relaxed hair. And I think it would be so pretty if we straighten the whole head, but I don't want to do that. That would mess up all these lovely curls. In fact, I want to see now if the straight hair will revert. So now I'm wetting it again with just a little bit of water. The water, like I said, or the water bottle has a little bit of conditioner in it too. And just that little bit of moisture, and your curls bounce back. So I'm just raking it through, and there you go. Beautiful. Okay, so now I'm bringing my hair forward and tying it, and we're going to see what it looks like with an Ankara head wrap. So let's bring you some Afrocentric flavor. So I've tied it into a knot, and then I'm just going to wrap the ends around the knot, and then kind of position my hair the way I want it to look. And there you go. Simple, but I think it makes such a cool vibe. I don't know what I was doing here, but I was doing something. I think Beyonce had gotten into me. Or Beyonce's music was just giving me all the feels. All right, maybe you don't like the messy look. So now I'm just twisting that hair and just gonna tuck it to the side of the wrap. And voila! Oh, do you like my earrings, by the way? You gotta match your earrings with your head wrap. What? Yes, queening. This is how you queening. Is that a word? Is that a word? Okay, so now let's see what it looks like when we try to condense the hair into 2 braids. All right, let's see how this looks if we braided it. There you go, looking kind of goofy, but you know, it's a process. So you could wrap these granny braids across your head like this, I can't speak, like this. Or you could wrap them in the back for a very easy, simple, carefree look. It looks very natural. So you don't have to wear the head or hair all out if you don't want to. Isn't that cute? I think it's kind of cute. It looks so natural. And if you unbraid the hair, you know, let's say you braided it overnight or you kept it in for a day or so, you unbraid it, you've got a cool braid out. Don't forget to open the description box, by the way, if you want to get your own hair. So that's all, folks. I hope you liked all these different styles that I have shared. Again, don't forget to check out Wig Encounters, and I am gonna go. Keep dancing, keep living your best life, and thanks for watching. That's what happens when you listen to Beyonce, you think you can fly. Bye! Oh, by the way, since you're still here, watch another video.